Hello friends, this is EUROSTAR air compressor with 25-liter capacity. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. This is our pressure gauge and this is our air release valve. This is our on and off switch. We can easily install air filter here by just simply screwing it. Let's check what's inside its hood. I already removed the screws. As you see, it's all copper winding. So friends, this is an oil-based air compressor. It's come with an oil. I already filled it in to its maximum level as shown. Before start, make sure the oil level and turn off the air release valve. Now switch it on. You can use it with this